G'day, it's Christine Welsh here, the designer behind Chris W Designs, and today I'd like to introduce to you the Allure. Let's take a look at the Allure. As you can see, it's got a nice front flap with trim. I've used cork on this bag. You can use leather or vinyl as well. It's got an adjustable strap so you can make it whatever length you would like. It's got a little tassel here and nice little trim on the zipper pocket trim just for looks. You don't have to add that if you don't want to. That's optional, but it just looks good. It's got the zipper pocket here, which I use for my keys, and as you can see they're quite bulky, but due to the way that this flap is constructed, you don't even notice the bulk in there because it's got the Decaville light in the flap, so it kind of hides any bulk in there. You don't get ugly bulges poking through. It's got the quick access phone pocket here at the back, and that's the back of the bag there. But I love that quick access phone pocket. I couldn't live without it now. I've just really gotten used to that. So let's take a look inside the Allure, which opens with a twist lock. And inside the bag is a large, roomy compartment. It has a zipper pocket, and it's quite a large zipper pocket because we actually turn the bag through that zipper pocket. And on the other side, I've added extra slip pockets. These are made from Pocket Supplement A, which you can grab on my website for an extra $2 if you would like to add it too. It adds an extra large slip pocket, a little pen pocket, and 2 smaller slip pockets here at the front. And yeah, that's optional, but you can use that pocket supplement over and over again in a gazillion other bags. And there you have it, the Allure. In the video, I step you through each part of the process from start to finish, even downloading, saving and printing your pattern. And I will talk about how to avoid common printing pitfalls and problems. I show you how to assemble the pattern pieces, and I will show you which interfacings and stabilizers I have used and how to apply them. I talk about cutting and the preparation steps needed and guide you through each step of construction, from making your flap zipper pocket to adding your trims and to showing you how to add a twist lock and the fun optional bridge and strap end hardware, as well as add rivets for strength and good looks. I show you how to make an adjustable strap, how I add a quick access phone pocket, and how to make an interior zipper pocket, and turn through it for a super neat finish to the lining of your bag. I even show you how to make a fun tassel to decorate your bag. The Allure. It's a fun sew, it's not a hard sew, it's not a long sew, and it's definitely not a boring sew. And once you're finished, you're left with a beautiful, unique, and very professional looking bag. The quick access phone pocket is my favourite. I can't live without it now. So if you're new here, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring the bell to be notified of any new releases. Have a bit of a sticky beak around because I've got lots of other videos. Some are helpful, some are, well, let's just say entertaining. Well, you be the judge of that. Have a look, see what you think, and if you like any of them, hit the like button. So, let's get started. Woohoo!